Anay, Petro.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am here with our Vice Mayor, Leonardo Piloria, to have a little interview about the upcoming election and his position. This is our Mayor, Leonardo. He is 77 years old at this time. Sir, we have here some questions to you. What is your objective as a vice mayor to your people and to our place?
My objective is to serve and to as a vice mayor, we passed so many ordinances. In fact, we passed the comprehensive ordinance of the municipality so that we can increase taxes, and that is my question.
Thank you, sir. We have the second question to you. How can you maintain the trust of people to you? And we know that people is already trust to you. Now my question is, how can you maintain the trust of people to you?
During my private life and as a public official, I maintain the honesty in public service as well as in private life, and that is my duty. Honesty about.
Thank you, sir. The third question is, are you willing to serve people at the end?
As long as my life warrants, I will serve the people.
Okay, thank you, sir. At the age of 77 years old, have you encountered a hardest problem in your life?
There are so many hardest problems in my life, but that this problem that I cannot resolve, I will not entertain it. And problems that can be solved, I will have to solve.
Okay, thank you, sir. Once again, this is our Vice Mayor Leonardo Piloria. I will say, vote exactly, vote wisely, vote Leonardo Piloria as a mayor. Thank you, sir, for wasting your time for us, and
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you.